What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So we're taking a look at something a little different on my channel today. The name of my channel is Will's Gadgets and More. So this must be one of those and more gadgets here. This is a retro mini refrigerator. So this was actually a Christmas present to me, and I'm just now getting around to unboxing it. Gonna figure out where I'm gonna use this, but I think they got this from Walmart. I looked up the prices. They run about $32, or a little bit over 30 bucks, I think. And look like it's going to be a pretty neat little item to have. So this is by Frigidaire. This is a 6-can retro mini fridge. This will chill beverages, snacks, skincare. It's portable. It includes an AC adapter as well as a 12-volt car cord as well. This will hold up to 6 cans, like I said, and this is the black one. Now, this does come in different colors as well. So they give you some scenarios here of things you can use this for: beauty, office, dorms, vehicles, new moms. And then on this side over here, you guys see you got your 6 cans in there. Here's some of the other specs here, things you can use it for. Multi-purpose, used for cooling, warming, anything from snacks, drinks, beauty, skincare products, medicine, and more. Portable handle allows you to take it anywhere at home, the nursery, the office, your dorm room, or road trips and vacations, as well as tailgate parties. Now, this will cool up to 28 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient room temperature. So that's something key to remember there. This is going to only get lower than your room temperature, 28 to 30 degrees. Dependable thermoelectric cooling, quiet and vibration free. So this does not have a compressor in it. Lock and latch keeps items secure. This weighs 4 pounds as well, guys. So those are some of the features and details. Here's the back of the box, and that's it. Let's get into the box, man. Check this thing out. Very lightweight. So it's gonna have your manual in here, which I don't think you're gonna really need. And let's go ahead and get it out of the box. Get rid of the box. So it's a very nice looking device here. So you got a place back here where you can grab it. That's your handle, I guess they're calling it. And here's the front of it. So very retro looking. Very nice looking, man. Please remove the foam before using. Really? Okay, and then you got a vent over here. So here's the back. You got your fan, your carrying place here. You got your on and off switch, your 12-volt plug-in, and your 120 right there. And then on the bottom of it, you do have your little feet here and some more specs on the bottom of it as well. And let's go ahead and open this up. So it's got a nice little twist handle here, and then this is the inside of it. See, it's got a removable shelf, and then you got your 2 cords here. So this is very cool, man. It's plastic build, and you just close the handle like that. There it is. Now I'm going to reposition this to get a better look at it, guys. So let's take a look at the cords. So you're going to have one for your car, your vehicle, 12 volt, and then you got your AC. So let me get some drinks and reposition the camera so we can take a better look at it. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have a better angle here. You guys can see it a little bit better. Forgot to point out the little glass window there so where you can see inside of it. The handle is plastic, but it feels pretty sturdy. And this is all plastic, man. Very lightweight. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So it's not very loud. I'm going to take my mic and put it a little closer so you guys can hear it. So you can hear the fan running there. Now, no compressor in this, so you're not going to get a compressor, turn it on and off. Got a bunch of drinks here. Let's try different scenarios here. I'm going to push it back a little bit. So if you got your little bottles of water here, these are 10-ounce cans. You may want to put a couple of 10-ounce cans at the top, bottles of water. Then you might want to put your, what are these, 12-ounce? You want to put some 12-ounce drinks at the bottom. And you can easily get 2 more on the other side. And it'll close, no issues there. So let's take these out. And the shelf is removable. Now you're not going to be able to get the 12-ounce bottles like this in there with the shelf in it. So be mindful of that. We're going to take this out. Now you can store drinks down here. Maybe put your medication up there or some snacks or whatever up there. Now if you're doing these size bottles here, you're going to be able to only get 4 of these in here because your shelf fits here. So not quite big enough for your shelf. And if you wanted to use the big bottles, the 16-ounce bottles, they're not going to go in. And I have different size. They're just not going to fit in there. So be mindful of that. But this says to let this run for a couple hours. So I got some warm ones here. Some of these are cold already. I'm going to put the warm ones in here. I'm going to go ahead and load it up with 6 bottles. So that's a warm one. And we're going to see just how this works. So this warm bottles and cans I'm going to put in here, I should say. Now you got to remember this says it's only going to get about so many degrees lower than the room temperature. So, all right, guys, I'm going to let that go for a couple hours. We'll come back and I'll tell you how cool they are. Okay, guys, so we're back. It's been a little bit over 2 hours, and it's time to check this out, man. So I have no way to check the actual temperature of anything, but I can tell you that my thermometer at home, my reading says 70 degrees inside of my home. So these are supposed to be 28 to 30 degrees cooler than that. So that'll give you an average what the temperature is supposed to be. So cool on the outside. And let's go ahead and pull out a bottle of water here. And the bottle of water is nice and cool. It's not real cold, but I think it's cold enough to drink. Yeah, definitely cold enough to drink. Let's go ahead and take a drink out of it. So yeah, that is nice and cool right there. Definitely drinkable. Let's see the cans. Now the cans are definitely cold. Now I'm not going to open this up. This has sugar in it. I stay away from the sugar. I always do the sugar free. But these cans are nice and cool. Let's go ahead and get these out in the back. So the back seems colder than the front, the ones in the front there. Now it's been 2 hours, so they are all cold cans. Just about feel like when you get them out of a regular big refrigerator to me. Now, like I said, you can put snacks in here. You can put whatever, your medication, whatever you want to use it for. But these bottles are definitely nice and cool. If you're on a trip, if you got a cubicle or something in your office, like me back here in the back part of my house, then this would be something great to keep back here to, have some beverages or snacks or whatever when I'm back here making my videos and things. I don't have to walk to the other part of the house to get anything, but great idea. This is the Frigidaire 6-can mini refrigerator. I will drop a link in the description, I guess, or you can just go over to Walmart or any store that sell these and pick you one up. And I'm Will. This is Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.